again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report from Mark in Illinois on the beautiful and highly sought-after Retevis Ailunce HS4, which is the same radio as the original Anytone Quad 5 that I don't know why they quit making. But all kinds of cool features on it. Guys, I'm sure you know all about them, so we're just going to get right to it. Going to start our power all the way down. 25-watt slug. Let's set 2 watts all the way down. Roll it up. There's 10. Show you average power swing. Hello. 21 bird. 50 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. 1, 2. 50 watts plus. All right, Mark, we're going to get this thing up to you. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.